Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about taking your paper and using it on a different surface instead of flat on a table or a workspace. This is something that we call a vertical surface. I'm going to use my closet door today, but you could also think about using a vertical surface as a window, maybe that your student can get up really close to, a sliding door. If you're okay with them working against your refrigerator using safe materials that you would be able to wash off, even a wall. So don't limit this to just putting a piece of paper on a closet door, but let your imagination go wild and use some other surfaces. So today I am using our good old Scotch tape. And I'm gonna put this piece of paper at about eye level for me. So your student probably will be a lot lower for the little ones. I'm gonna put it so that when I am putting my hand up against the paper, it's almost straight out from my shoulder, maybe a little bit higher. And I'm just gonna put up one piece of tape there. I did put some colors down here, and I will tell you why I did that in just a few minutes. So one thing working on a vertical surface is that typically you put your hand right in contact with the paper. I'm using my right hand. What we like to teach is to put this side of the hand flat against the paper when they're working at a desk. And for some kids that's really hard. Their elbows still pop up, or they're holding the end of the marker or writing utensil like this. So we're really working on getting the pinky side of the hand to touch the paper. So working on a vertical surface is really nice, and it almost automatically puts them in that surface there, in that position. With that, their grasp often improves. So if I was holding a little, this is a broken crayon, if I tried to use it like this with my elbow out and holding it kind of farther away, it almost forces the person to hold it in a nice functional tripod grasp. So tripod is 3. So I have 1, 2, 3. Again, this doesn't have to be how your child holds it. Some kids will hold it a little bit differently, might wrap it around. It's kind of just getting used to making marks depending on the age of the student. Doing this, I'm gonna go back to my marker so you can see this a little bit better, and I'm gonna make some little circles here on the paper. So you could, if you like this idea, you could do this before you put it up for your child to use. Give them, crayons are nice because it forces the student to use a little bit of pressure, and it makes those little finger muscles get stronger. But if that is an issue, markers are like instant gratification. They have the felt tip, the colors automatically there. So some students really need that feedback to know that they're doing something successfully. So I'm going to use my crayon. So hand against the paper and the nice grasp. And then to color in these little circles, usually you're only going to use the finger motions instead of the arm. So if you have little circles on there, your student will just use fingers instead of that whole big arm motion. So keep the circles nice and small there. Another benefit to working on this vertical surface, I'm kind of in the corner of a room. You might have decreased distractions. If you have your student do some work standing here against the wall, their focus is here. There's not a lot of visual behind this. So that's another nice thing to think about. Now I'm going to tell you about these colors, these stripes that I put on here beforehand. This position is great for working on snipping. So if you have scissors, child-proof scissors, squeezy scissors, loop scissors, different kinds that open automatically. What this does is it puts the arm right in that position for coming up under the paper and making that snip. I did different colors to give you an idea. Maybe you could practice color identification. So you could say, find the blue line and snip the blue line. And then your child could do. So there's another idea for working against a vertical surface. Hope you found this helpful. Bye-bye.